Throughout this project, we will be using some project images, and you can download your own if you prefer, or you can use the exact same ones which I'm using. If you want to follow along and use the same ones, inside of GitHub I have this repository which is available at github.com/ my username, which is chrisdixon161, and then / pizza planet v3 images with a dash in between each word. This is a simple repository. All we have inside is this images folder with the 6 images which we're going to be adding to our project. If you want to use these, just click on the code button, download the zip file. Once this is finished, you can click on this to open this up. And then we need to add this to our project. So first of all, go over to Visual Studio Code or your text editor. And what we'll need to do is to open up our project inside of here. So drag over the project folder, which we created in the previous video. Mine is stored on the desktop. Drag this into Visual Studio Code. You now see all of the files and folders for our Vite project inside the sidebar. You may also need to reopen the terminal. So terminal, and then go to new. We're currently inside of our Pizza Planet project. So we can run npm run dev, which will again open this up with this link. Command or control click. Good, everything is fine. And then if we go into our images and then into our project folder, which we just opened up in Visual Studio, go into the source folder, into the assets, and then we can drag the images folder inside of here. Close these down. We can also see these in the sidebar if we open up the source, into the assets, and there's our images which we're going to be using for this project. Again, if you want to use your own images, you can add these to an images folder inside of here and use these as we progress through the project. But now with these available to use, we're going to move on to the routing section where we'll take a look at how we can switch between pages.